Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions so you can spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the ATTOP drone, and on the right, the Idea brushless motor drone. It's the battle of the skies, folks. Let's see which one will make you the king or queen of the air. First up, let's talk about cameras, because let's be honest, if you're not taking aerial selfies, are you even living? The ATTOP drone flaunts a 1080p UHD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like the wide-angle lens on your phone, but on steroids. Reviewers have mentioned that it takes clear pictures, but has a tendency to malfunction. On the other hand, the Idea drone flexes with a 4K camera and a Sony sensor. That's right, 4K. It's like comparing VHS to Blu-ray. According to reviews, it offers great camera quality, but some users have faced issues, like scratched lenses. Now, let's talk battery life. Because nobody likes a drone that drops out of the sky faster than your mood after spilling coffee on your new white shirt. The ATTOP drone comes with not one, not two, but three 3.7 volts, 1,100 milliamp hours batteries, giving you a solid 30 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film your dog chasing its tail, your cat plotting world domination, and still have time to capture a sunset. However, some users have mentioned that the batteries often malfunction. The Idea drone, on the other hand, has two 3.7 volts, 1,200 milliamp hours batteries, delivering a total of 20 minutes of flight time. It's like the drone equivalent of a power nap. Reviews indicate that while the battery life is shorter, it is generally reliable. Next, ease of use. Because let's face it, if it takes a PhD to fly your drone, you're probably not going to have much fun. The ATTOP drone is basically the drone equivalent of a starter pack. One key return, altitude hold, and even a headless mode. It's like having a drone with training wheels. Perfect for beginners who are still figuring out which way is up. Reviews back this up, mentioning it's easy to operate, but may have some durability issues. The Idea drone isn't messing around either. It's got obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, and gesture control. It's like having a personal assistant in the sky. Just wave your hand and it follows your every command. Users have found it more advanced and useful for both beginners and experienced flyers. Now, for the fun factor, because if a drone isn't fun, what's the point? The ATTOP drone is like the life of the party. You can draw a route on the app and watch it fly, speak to control it, or do a 360-degree flip. It's basically the drone version of Tony Hawk. Reviews highlight that it's fun but sometimes unreliable. The Idea drone, though, is like that cool kid with all the gadgets. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, high altitude stability, and 3 speed modes. It's like strapping a jetpack to your drone and saying, "Let's do this." Users have praised it for its versatility and fun features, although they note some occasional technical issues. Overall, the ATTOP drone is praised for its ease of use and fun features, but faces criticism for occasional malfunctions and durability issues. On the other hand, the Idea brushless motor drone is lauded for its superior camera quality and advanced features, although it has some minor technical hiccups. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to use, packed with fun features, and won't break the bank, the ATTOP drone is your go-to. But if you want a drone with top-notch camera quality, advanced obstacle avoidance, and a bit of extra speed, the Idea brushless motor drone is calling your name louder than your mom when you're late for dinner. Remember, the sky's the limit. And with these drones, your Instagram game is going to reach new heights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart.